The car that will meet your needs. The 2012 Chevrolet Impala. At 29 miles per gallon, the 3.5-liter V6 Impala offers highway fuel economy others can't match. Even the larger 3.9-liter V6 engine on the LTZ offers an efficient 27 miles per gallon highway. Consider the luxurious front bucket seats with leather appointments and premium sound with the Bose 8-speaker system. Chevy Impala is also about roominess and flexibility, with seating for up to 6 and ample space to store your stuff with a segment-exclusive flip and fold rear seat that's standard on LTZ and available on the LT with the Luxury Edition package. Chevy Impala earned the highest possible crash test rating, 5 stars, for frontal crash tests. Technology such as StabiliTrak electronic stability control system will help you stay on the roads. The 2012 Chevy Impala, the full-size car more people depend on.